settlement and land records. Speaker sir, Goa has been the front runner in rolling out of the property register as par with the PM Gati Shakti, making it one of amongst the first few states in the country to do so. I propose the upgradation of the property register, and which will enable the general public to carry out the due diligence by themselves and before purchase of any land. Further, financial institutions will be linked with the property register so that encumbrance, if any, will be known to the public. Speaker sir, as a step towards preventing the land fraud in the state, I proposed to link the record of the right with the Aadhaar number. The seriousness in dealing with the land-related frauds in the state is visible from the Special Investigation Team SIT established by my government. Speaker sir, I proposed to set up modern record room for all the talukas and development of the mobile application to locate and identify the properties on a real-time basis. Speaker sir, scanning and cataloging of all the legacy record and will be undertaken, and which are in the Portuguese languages through the assistance from the central government. For all this purpose, an allocation of rupees 45.35 crores has been made for the Department of the Settlement and Land Records.